Hello everybody, today I'm in the garage and it is Saturday for me, but you will be seeing this on Wednesday. And today we are opening up a water bottle. Now I know what you mean. This is boring. Hold up. I thought so at first too. But I have my sister here with me today. Get in the camera shot. Play-Day Nene. Yes, she is in the video, but we'll just get right into it. Now, it's very simple. It can shoot out everywhere like so. But, if you just put your mouth up to it and... Look at that. My pants are just messed up. But yeah, this is pretty good water. What is this? It's Kroger brand purified drinking water. Good for water bottle flips. Okay, boys and girls, we got the water bottle. And it's time to do some flipping. Oh, look at that. Landed it first try. You ready? You ready? You ready to start? You ready to get right into it? You ready to YouTube clickbait? You ready to die? You ready to eat some pizza? You ready to eat your face? You ready? You freaking... You ready? All on the floor. Heck yeah, dudes. See, Nene, I'm recording you right now.
Hey.
What, do you need to shout out anything?
Yes. Shout out.
Sorry, guys. My phone had died, but it's charged up and ready, and it's not dead anymore. And Nene, it's time for your shout outs.
Okay, the shout outs go to Screenified, me, of course, Play-Day Nene, and Trevia 2.
Trevia 2.
Trevia 2, yeah.
Totally didn't tell her to say those things.
And the Mr. King Show.
No, that's not its own channel.
Okay, well,
and what do you want to say? What do you want to say? What did you think about the video?
I think it was okay, perfect. Love it.
Well, say the outro.
If you like the video, like the video. If you like the video and want to see more videos, like this video, like the video,
and subscribe.
To Trevia.
Heck yeah!